Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Kawasaki ZX-10R superbike. This bike is a 1000cc 4-cylinder fuel-injected superbike. Beautiful condition in the classic Kawasaki race team green. It's got green highlighted front turn signals too. Kind of reminds me of the Grinch. Beautiful bike, only 31,000 miles, priced to sell at just $39.99. It's got adjustable levers on the handlebars. Beautiful Akrapovic exhaust system. Fender eliminator kit. Just checked out our service department. She's ready to go. Make your superbike dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.